Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So one thing that I'm absolutely big on is health. And my favorite way of actually getting my healthy habits in is through walking. And the reason why this is so important to me is because I think for the majority of people, as you get older in life, your health becomes pretty much the most valuable thing, because you can have all the money in the world, all these material things, but if your health sucks, then life is going to be really tough, and for some people it's not even worth living. And so that's why I do encourage you to do these healthy things. And so let me show you some of the things that I've actually been able to do through my walking. Whenever I started walking on a regular basis years ago, it was hard for me to even do like a mile, and let alone do more than 20 or 30 miles for the whole month. But nowadays I'm doing significantly more than that. So these are some of my numbers. Hopefully that'll zoom in there. So that month I did a little over 146 miles. And let me go earlier than that. And then for the month prior to that, I actually did about 176 miles. And so all of these things were things that I never thought would be possible, because as I just stated a little bit earlier, it was even hard for me to do 20 miles a whole month, or even sometimes even 10 miles a whole month. And over time, as I made this a regular thing, now doing 100 miles or more is normal. Before, that was a big goal of mine, to just reach 100, and now my next goal is to get to 200 miles or more per month of walking, jogging, or running. And so the reason why I really want to talk about this regularly is because if you are somebody who works in a technology field, you're a geek, you're probably indoors a lot, you're not getting a lot of exercise. And if you're young, that might not affect you now, but as you get older, those things are all going to add up, and it's going to cause a lot of pain. And so those are my thoughts on some healthy habits and why it is the most important thing that you should do on a regular basis. And also to show you that this stuff takes time. Okay, so you could have no healthy habits, but if you just start with that first step or that first weight or whatever it is, it can build up over time, and then it becomes normal for you to be healthy. And if you had any thoughts in this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.